Misha Jones, and we're gonna do an update on some of her credit repair experiences with Revenue Financial. So, Misha, first off, can you tell me a little bit about yourself and what led you to seek credit repair services?
Seek credit repair service up for like our business to get better outcome for things that we wanted to like apply for, stuff like that, and just have better credit overall.
Right, right, okay. And what specific challenges or issues were you facing with your credit before you started working with us?
Not being able to like be approved for things that we were applying for and just not looking so good.
Right, right. And what were your expectations before you started with the credit repair process?
I expected it to be a process. I expected to trust the process and not to be like a quick fix, but I expected good
Right,
results.
right. And about how long did it take?
About 35 to 45 days, somewhere in there.
35 to 45 days and it was done, or just 35 to 45 days for the first set of results?
The first set of results.
Gotcha. Okay, okay. Can you share some of the most significant results and improvements that you had that helped your financial situation since you started using our services?
The biggest things were like the repossession I had on there, and I think it was a few credit cards I had on there that came off.
Got you. So what did you find most valuable and beneficial about our credit repair services?
Well, first and foremost, it looks better. My numbers look better,
Right.
and just looking to see that I was having a better chance of being approved for something if I wanted to apply for something.
Got you. Okay. And how
I
would you
would try to
describe
get it.
our team? Right. Okay. And how would you describe our team support and communication throughout the process?
Great. I've been able to get in touch with somebody. I've been able to get answers to my questions.
Got you. Okay. And last couple questions. What would you say to someone who is hesitant or unsure about using our credit repair services?
I would say go out on the limb with it. I would say that if you had any doubts, talk about what your doubts are, and I'm pretty sure that they'll make you feel more comfortable. And I'm glad I did.
Got you. Okay. Is there anything else you would like to add about your experiences with the company?
Um, it was better than I have experienced in the past with other people.
Got you. Okay. Well, that's pretty much it for us as far as the questioning and the interview goes. Thank you so much for jumping on. And, if you know anybody else, send them our way.
Yes, sir.